Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will search about the application of UltData and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we go here to storage. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.